guys, I'm getting ready for my niece graduation. Ikaw, ready ko for my niece graduation. So, first of all, but naglibog ko sa akong outfit po today. Ay, basta ko mag-cleanser sa ko. Kika na ako naligo and I ate my lunch. Ay, naglibog ko kung unsa ako itong brown or the other pink. So, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Pero igang, pero ito pong brown. Grabe siya ka-fit. So, I just finished putting my, and this is my serum. Refiner, I don't know. Put it there. Lineage, from Lineage. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. So, and sunscreen. Pagkuman ato, cleanser, Celatec, and serum, which is Lineage, and then Hikari, this one. This sunscreen is very giving. Nindot kayo siya guys, kaya mag-faint imong Tesla, and then blooming kayo ang earring. Yut, dili ka murag pula tag pito ka animal after. So, magkuanta, di mo ko mag-makeup, so kaya na lang. Love nail, nakahulat. She's ready. While me, I'm still. Oh. Look, when it blends, I'm gonna come see that? There's no white cast. Wait, let me abot dunggan. See? Perfect. Wait. So, maura na siya, guys. Ay, wait. Nabutang pa ko. Asa kung kuwan dire, love nail? Yeah. Ano na? Putting some, like, tawagan. Color corrector. Yeah. Here na po siya butang sa atong mga blemishes and everything. Yung mga what the fuck na sila. I need to cover up. It needs to cover up. So, para picture dito mga whatever. Pagkuha diha. Here. Ang bugas ko uy. Shit man. Nano pa datong red days. Oh. See? Sus. Wag igang. Ay, di ko ganan yung attire. I think mag-change ko. So, let's go with the brows. Lamela. Kitang lang na ko niya siya sa akong closet dito sa akong vanity. I saw this one and I put it. Hindi na ko siya. Bisa hindi ko kabalo. Dili na po to guys. The struggle is real. Yeah, like I don't know how to put my brows. Give bitaw. Promise, di ko kabalo. Oh, di sundon ay. Yatay, dili to ko. Ibaga lang. Pa! Wala! So, can on. And lipstick is O2O. Nay, chachi, kuan. So this is my look for the face. Ito kana pa akong i-order og sunscreen kay marami siya og what effect. So, ito yung sunscreen here. Kumot. So this is my look. Very auntie. It's my final look, guys. Sunscreen, O2O, Lamela, and Kyla. Kyla from Kyla. So, bye.
Kailang away receiving best in attendance.
guys, I just get home from the event, graduation event from my niece. I was the one who attended it because my mom is still sick and my father has work, and also my other siblings has work. So unfortunately, I don't have any work for now. So please like and subscribe. Please do more likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then I don't know what's next. Maybe I'll do some. I'll post some videos from my daily vlogs here in my house. So yeah, the graduation is good, quite good, but a little bit hot because it has no air conditioning and it has no electric fan. It's selling fan. What do you call that? It has no fan, but I managed to bring my mini fan with me, and yeah, I feel not very that hot because I have mini fan and the event is nice and good. So yeah, so bye.